Jane. Oh, what's that? What is that? What is that? Oh my God! Oh, it's just, what's that? Huh? Huh? Do you have a? Oh my goodness! You have a?
Sniffer.
Oh, my baby has sniffles. Oh, my poor baby. Yeah. That's why every time you go outside, you need to wear a sweater. Because it's very cold. Like that. Sniffles. Oh, you're hiding. Chidi-di-chidi. What are you doing?
T.